Everyone, and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is August 18, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. You can see our subscription services here. We also have a YouTube discount of 10% on everything that we have to offer. And we also have a contest, guess the closing price of the S&P at the end of the month. And you win a free 30-day subscription to everything, our annual, monthly video on demand. So if you turn in one now, it'll be for September because it's past the 15th of the month. Had a lot of interest in these Fibonacci time spirals. How and why do I do it? That is in our video on demand subscription service there. Also want to let you guys know about our disclaimer here and our awards over the years from the honor rolls for Timer Digest. Okay, let's see. And oh yeah, I wanted to get to, give me a second here. I wanted to get that, yeah, this guy out here. Okay, and there you go. Thank you guys for subscribing and hitting the reminder bell and the like button. And the like button is something like that, only much smaller. Okay, we're going to look at the S&P and Tesla today. We had a direct hit within a point of our target we sent out to our subscribers. Our subscribers are getting this information ahead of time. You guys are getting a lot of this information after the fact, but that's the advantage of subscribing. We sent something out to our annual subscribers about Tesla and our monthly subscribers in a midday report yesterday. But without further ado, we're going to look at the, we've been looking at the 5-wave rise from the August 3rd low. You can see you have a 1 down here, a 2 up there, a 3 down, 3 up, a 4 down. Our ideal target for 5 was 48.86. It hit at 48.80, I believe it was. And then the market started moving down, okay? We're going to look at a retracement of this 5 waves to see what our ideal targets are, or should I say were, okay? And you can see there, the 382, the 500, and the 618, it went through it. Let's throw up the 786 just to see. I don't know if that went on there or not. Yes, it went right by there. Okay. So we're looking for a correction of 5 waves. The most recent 5-wave advance. This is a 10-minute bar of the most recent 5-wave advance. We have a couple different counts here. But once this moves through that August 3rd low, which I believe was 43.73, then we're going to be looking at the next 5 waves to one more degree, which is the July 19th low, and we can just see what those targets are. But first things first, we got to get through that August 3rd low, and you can see those targets there, okay? 43.84, 43.55, and 43.25. Those will come into play, and this should be the August 3rd low here. When this August 3rd low of 43.73 is broken. Unless or until it is, it's just a correction, okay? And that's what we got. Our first sign of a change in trend is a break below this August 3rd low of 43.73, and we're calling a confirmation when we get through the July 19th low of 42.33. Okay, we're going to look at this correction or this move down a little closer here. Okay, you can see we've got a couple different counts. We've got an A, B, C in purple, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves down and 3 waves up. Let me remove that. Let's see what we have here as far as an extension. This is either 1 or A. That's 2 or B, and you can see that hit right on the 1-to-1 ratio there. And I want to show you guys something else here. We have a move down here and a move up here. Let me get on that there. And there we have a 43.90 target. I think I had that a little better on the short term. I'll just show you guys the pick here that I have for you. Let's see here. This was it here. Okay, we were looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1. Alternate count is A. Alternate count is B. Alternate count is C. Okay, C is a 1.618 at 43.96, and we got a 43.90 actual. that could be the entire decline. If this is 1, 2, 3 in black, then this low, which I believe is 44.17, should not be broken to the upside in a wave 4. And then we should see a 5 down or an even further extension of wave 3. We'll see how that plays out. We have our make or break targets here. Let me see if I can get that on that. Let me get rid of this here. Remove. Where's that 44? Yeah, there it is right there, 44.17. Let me get rid, that would be A and then B and then C. Okay, we'll do this in a little larger trend degree. Okay, A, B, C for A, B, C, make it 1 degree larger. There we go, that's the alternate count. And then here we have this as, let me get that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out here for you guys. We have, I think I had it here, 1, 2, and 3 was a 1.618, and 4, 5. All right, so 44.17 is our make or break. Otherwise, we look for this to extend further. Let me see if I can get Fibonacci extensions on there. Okay. There's our 1. There's our 2 with our near direct hit. That came within a point, so I got that off somehow there. But a 1.618 would get us down to 43.53. Give me a second here. I think I know what I got wrong on this here. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay. Okay, there we go. There's that direct hit that we were looking for. Yeah, my apologies there. There is the 1 and 2, and there is the Fibonacci 1.618 within a point of Fibonacci perfection. Okay, 44.17 make or break for this wave count. Otherwise, it's an ABC, and we're off again to the races. We'll watch how this develops, okay? And then we'll be looking if we can get through this low here of August 3rd. Then we'll be looking at a larger correction of a bigger wave from the July 19th low. Tesla, let me see if I got everything in here, okay? And there was that within ideal perfection over there. And this is, that's Tesla, my bad. This is what we put out yesterday morning for our customers, you know, A or 1, B or 2, our targets, C gained equality, or 3 right there. That was a 618, blew through it and it went right to our target. So our subscribers to our newsletter had this information in advance, and of course the 43.73 low, and it played out to perfection within a point at 43.97. Great opportunity there. It was a great end of day to hit our target. So that's it with the S&P. Okay, and there is the after the fact. Okay, and then we're going to move on to Tesla. Okay, the 900 high back in January. We have 5 waves down for A. We're looking for 3 up, and this could be A, B, C. Okay, we want to allow for it to get up here to a double top around 764. You can see a MOB, make or break, wave 1 high in the bull count. Might be hard to see. I can pull that up, but this, if this was counting 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, and then 4 down, 4 can't go lower than 1, so the wave 1 high was right where this line is, and it pulled below there. Okay, so we're looking at that as the completion of the B wave high. 5 down, big 3 up, and 5 down. I want to let you guys know there's a chance that it's 5 down, 3 up to here, and then 5 down for a double low. That's why we need to take these lows out and subsequently these lows out before we get to our target, which is now 368 since the B wave high is here. It was higher when we thought it might go up here, but I'll get into more detail. It looks like we have 5 waves down on a smaller scale. This is a daily chart. Let's move to a 10-minute chart. Here's that make or break where this could have been 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me label it for you guys, but it got negated with that move down, okay? So if this was 1 and this was 2 and this was 3 and anywhere in here was 4, we put it there, and that was a smaller, higher high right there. Okay, we can't retrace more than 100% of that, or 4 cannot go below the wave 1 high. There's that make or break that was on the bigger chart. Okay, so that confirmed that we are moving down, and we have, as you can see, 5 waves to the downside here, looking at a 10-minute chart from the August 13 high to the August 17 low. And there we're sitting right on the 50% retracement at 689. And again, our customers, our subscribers to our newsletter had this information in advance. These 3 targets here, 679, 689, and 699. That should be 2. 2 cannot go above this high. There's your make or break, 1730. When 2 gives way to 3, 3 will be a very big decline, and we're going to get some targets for that. Okay, that's providing that this 2 stays there. It could go up to that 618 at 699, just under 700. Let's say 2 is there. 3 gets 613 to gain equality here, or 562. Remember, this will be a 5-wave decline. That's 1, that's 2, it would be 3, 4, 5. If 2 goes a little bit higher, just under 700 is 699, then we're looking at 616 and 566, okay? So that's what we're looking at in Tesla. Let me see if I have that Tesla pick here. Yeah, here we go, where we had that at 729.90. Okay, this went out today. I think it was this morning. You can see 5 waves down for A, B, C for the larger wave B in parentheses. C down here. C gains equality with A at 368. And you can see here on the way up, this is back in September. This is an obvious contracting triangle. That was a 4. You can see it there with a circle as primary degree. And then there was 5 waves up to give us 5 of 5 of 5 at 3 degrees of trend. So here we go with a correction of all of that. So we're looking at a target of 368. Again, we need to see a break of these lows right around 625, and then this double bottom here, and that'll bring 368 into play. Should be safe around 764, or what was that? I think it was like 799 on Tesla. Let me get back to the bigger chart. That was 780, my bad. 780, and there's 764 is a Fibonacci 618. Okay, so we have our parameters for both the S&P and Tesla on the way up and down. Should be an interesting next couple of days. I wouldn't be surprised if this was 3, if this even went further, but we'll see how that goes, and we need to watch our make or break levels there. Okay, let me get that pick one more time up there for the S&P for you guys. There you go. And by the way, we could just call this one, well, we won't get into that, okay? All those alternate counts. I don't like to give those expanded flats preferential treatment or make them a preferred count. This is our preferred count. Alternate count as a 3-wave correction is in purple. All right, thank you guys, and until next time, take care, everyone.